జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. Then there is no driver to Ravana. At that time, Ravanasura immediately picked up Sitamma again with his hands. Ankena adaya vaidehim papata bhuvi Ravanaha. He jumped upon the floor from that chariot while holding Sitamma in his hands. Then at that time, all the Vanadevatas, all those entities who are there in that forest, they started appreciating Jatayu. Sadhu, sadhviti bhutani, grudhrarajam apujayan. They are appreciating Jatayu for doing Ravanasura helpless. Then Jatayu fought with Ravana for so long, and because of his old age, Jatayu taking rest. At that time, Parishrantam tu tam drishtva, Ravana has seen Jatayu, and Ravanasura felt that Jatayu may not be able to fight with me anymore. Like that, Ravanasura felt happy, and immediately he has taken again Sitamma and flew into sky. When Ravanasura flew into sky with Sitamma, again Jatayu has got all of his strength and immediately started chasing Ravanasura, and he stopped Ravanasura, and again now talking to Ravanasura like this. Jatayu is now saying to Ravanasura, saying that, Ravana, what did you think about Rama? If Rama shoots his arrows, those arrows comes like diamonds and kills all the enemies. Now what you are doing is you are abducting Sita, who is the wife of such great Ramachandra Swami. Oh Ravana, now whatever the thing that you are doing, this is definitely going to be killing all the Rakshasas. The consequence of this bad work that you are doing is going to be killing all the Rakshasas. Oh Ravana, those who are thirsty, they should be drinking water. They should not be drinking poison. Now what you are doing is Vishapanam Pibasya. You are drinking Visham, the poison. With this, Samitra Bandhuhu Sabalaha Saparichadaha. You, your friends, your well-wishers, your relatives, your ministers, your army, entire of your entourage, everybody is going to be definitely killed. The work that you are doing is such a bad work. Oh Ravana, the Kalapasa Mrityu is slowly tightening you. Now you cannot get rid of it. Oh Ravana, in this entire world, I am telling you, there is no one who can go against Rama and Lakshmana. Now, when they are not at home, you are doing this work. You are abducting Sitamma. Rama Lakshmana cannot take this. Ravana, you are behaving like a robber, thief. Because when Rama and Lakshmana not at ashramam, you are abducting Sitamma. This is not something supposed to be done by great soldiers. Yudhyasya yadisurosi, come on, if you are strong enough, come and fight with me. Like this, Jatayu said, and immediately jumped upon Ravana. Nipapata bhrusam prushthe. He jumped upon the back of Ravana and started peeling out Ravana's skin. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.